This is the Apple Watch Series 9, and Apple says it will change how you interact with your watch. Faster S-chip, gesture controls, brighter screen. But after spending a week with it, I found something they don't tell you in the ads. Is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Or is it just another pretty much the same upgrade? Let's dive in and find out. Apple Watch Series 9 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Apple Watch Series 9 is the latest smartwatch from Apple, released in September 2023. It's designed for iPhone users, especially those who want more than just notifications, fitness tracking, health monitoring, quick access smart features, and who want to get that seamlessly integrated into their wrist. The key selling proposition? Apple says you get a more powerful chip, the S9, gesture-based controls, hello double tap, a brighter display, and better Siri. Apple Watch Series 9 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I used it for everything, from checking messages and controlling music while hands-free, to doing workouts and even relying on it for directions all day long. Right out of the gate, it's noticeably snappy. The S9 chip lets things load faster, and when I asked Siri questions, it responded almost instantly, even when I wasn't on Wi-Fi. That matches what reviewers found. Offline Siri works smoother than older models. Scrolling through apps, switching faces, getting notifications, all feels fluid. That means fewer moments where you're tapping the screen and thinking, hang on. In real life, that makes the watch feel more smart and less delayed accessory. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features. Double tap gesture. This is where you tap your index finger and thumb together while wearing the watch, and it triggers actions. Answer a call, stop a timer, play pause music. Why should you care? Because there are times your other hand is busy, holding groceries, steering, whatever, and you just want a quick tap. It adds a hands-light way to interact that feels convenient. S9 chip and on-device Siri. With the faster GPU, 30% faster than previous according to Apple, and more transistors, the idea is responsiveness and less reliance on cloud. For you, that means asking Siri, "What's the weather?" or "Start my workout," and getting a fast reply, not waiting while it thinks. Brighter, always-on display. Apple claims up to about 2,000 nits of peak brightness. In practice, this means outdoor visibility is better. Sun glare is less of a pain, and the watch face remains readable when you glance outside. That matters because a watch should always be easy to read without squinting. Indeed, reviewers call the design familiar rather than radical. Design and build. Aesthetically, Apple knocked it out of the park, as usual, with the Series 9. It comes in the familiar aluminum or stainless steel case in sizes, 41mm or 45mm that fit most wrists. The finish feels premium, the glass feels solid, and the bands remain comfortable. In everyday wear, you notice it only when you swap to something cheaper. This has that "this is quality" feel. What about ergonomics? It's lightweight enough that you don't forget it's there, but noticeable enough to feel like a real device. On the flip side, if you're coming from very old models, the design hasn't dramatically changed, so if you were hoping for a new shape, you might be disappointed. Indeed, reviewers call the design familiar rather than radical. Pros. The responsiveness. Everything feels fast and slick, which makes daily use enjoyable. The double tap gesture, small feature, big convenience in the right moments. Bright, readable display outdoors, and excellent fit and finish for a watch you'll wear daily. Deep integration into the Apple ecosystem for iPhone users, so things just work. Cons? Battery life is good, but not stellar. If you want multi-day usage, you'll still be charging nightly. Design is very familiar, so if you own a recent Apple Watch, the upgrade might feel incremental, not transformational. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're an iPhone user who currently has an older watch, say Series 5, 6, or 7, and you want something that feels modern, fast, and polished, the Apple Watch Series 9 is a solid upgrade. It brings enough features and refinement to justify the move. If you're into fitness tracking, notifications, glanceable health data, and you want a premium watch you'll wear every day, It's definitely worth your hard-earned cash.